So you see this anonymous YouTube channel here. They are making over $1,000 every single month, and all they are doing is posting this type of house construction videos. And you know what? They not the only one who is doing this. There's a lot of other YouTube channel who is doing the same thing, and they all using a secret method to make this type of videos and making thousands of dollars every month. These type of videos show a house being built from an empty plot of land into a fully finished home, step by step. And that transformation is pure dopamine for the brain. That's why people can't stop watching. Right now, this niche is absolutely exploding. Some of these videos are getting tens of millions of views, and new channels are popping off every single week. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the same type of videos using just 2 AI tools, and how you can start building your channel starting today. The reason this niche works so well is simple, that the people love progress and love transformation, and people love watching something go from nothing to something. An empty piece of land turning into a luxury house scratches that itch perfectly. There's no language barrier, no explanations needed, and no attention drop. Viewers just stay until the end to see the final result. That's why retention on these videos is insane, and retention is everything on shorts. And the best part is that this entire process is fully automated. You don't need to draw. You don't need to design. You don't need to animate manually. You generate 2 images, animate them, add music, and upload. That's it. Everything starts with an AI assistant like ChatGPT. I use it to write detailed prompts for image generation. I'll ask it to create something like a modern house near a road with a forest in the background, a garage, a car, ultra realistic style, and vertical 9:16 format. Now, ChatGPT instantly generates a high quality prompt that looks like something a professional designer would write. And the best part? You can customize everything. American houses, European villas, luxury mansions, futuristic homes, minimalist designs, or anything else. If you don't like the prompt, just tell ChatGPT to rewrite it, and it will take seconds. Once I'm happy, I copy the full prompt. Now move on to the next step, and that is generating images. For this process, I am going to use a free AI image generation tool called Leonardo AI. They offer free credits, so you don't need to pay anything to start. I paste the prompt, keep the model on auto so the AI chooses the best one, set the image format to 9:16, and click generate. In about 10 seconds, I get a high quality image of a fully finished house. Super realistic. Clean lighting. Perfect for shorts. This image represents the final result of the construction. Now this is the most important part of the whole strategy. We don't just need the finished house. We also need the same scene without the house. This is how we create the before and after transformation. Inside Leonardo AI, I click the edit option and choose the Nano Banana model. Then I paste a special prompt that removes the house but keeps everything else exactly the same. The road, the trees, the lighting, the perspective. I already have these prompts saved in a Google document, so it's just copy and paste. The result is perfect. Same background, same angle. But now it's just an empty land plot. Now I will download both images. 2 images equal 1 full video. Now I repeat this process. I go back to ChatGPT and change the style. Sometimes I ask for a classic American house, sometimes a high-tech futuristic home, and sometimes something unusual like a red house with an underground garage and a luxury car. Your imagination is unlimited here. I usually generate several houses in one session, which means I can create 3 to 4 videos in under 10 minutes. Now move on to the next step, and that is the animation. Animating the construction process is so easy. Once the images are ready, I go to Zen Creator. They also provide trial credits, so again, no money required. I open the image to video section and select the correct generation model. Then I upload the empty plot as the starting frame and the finished house as the ending frame. Next, I paste a ready-made animation prompt that tells the AI to smoothly build the house over time. I set the duration to 10 seconds because shorter clips feel rushed and longer ones hurt retention. Then I click generate. This part takes a little time because the animation is complex, but once it's done, the result looks insane. Now let's give it a final touch. The video already looks professional. All that's left is adding background music and a voice. Always add a voiceover at the start of your videos so YouTube doesn't flag them as reused content. If you upload these AI videos directly, then YouTube will not monetize your channel. That's why in the first 3 to 4 seconds, you can say something simple like, "This is how a house is made," or "This is how a wooden house is built." Anything works. You just need to add your own AI voice, which you can easily generate using 11 Labs. Once that's done, the video is ready to upload as a short. I repeat this exact process multiple times. Same system, same workflow, different houses, and that's it, guys. This niche is still early, and if you stay consistent, pick one style, and focus on quality, monetization is completely realistic, especially going into 2026. That's it for today's video. Click on this video and you'll find out how you can copy iShowSpeed's channel and actually earn from it.